Unit 3, Lesson 3.7, Example number 2. They want you to take 12/15 and subtract 3/5 from it. 12/15 and 3/5 are not like fractions. They're not like fractions because they don't have the same denominator. So the first thing we need to do before we subtract these two fractions is make them like fractions. So we need to give them the same denominator. In order to do that, we need to find their LCD, which is the lowest common denominator. Now, the lowest common denominator is just the smallest number that is divisible by both 15 and 5. So my trick is to write both of these numbers out right here. I take the larger of the two numbers, in this case 15, and start multiplying it by factors, increasing by 1 at a time. So I'll multiply it by 1 first, and then by 2, and then by 3, and so on, until I find the LCD of 15 and 5. 15 times 1 is 15. Now it works out nicely this time because 15 happens to be divisible by 5. So 15 is the LCD. So now I'm going to rewrite both of these fractions with a new denominator of 15. What did I have to do from 15 to get to 15? Not a thing. So I don't have to do anything to the top. I can just carry that 12 over. On the bottom though, what did I have to do to 5 to get to 15? I had to multiply by 3. So I have to do the same thing to the top. 3 times 3 gives me 9. So here's my two new fractions. They're like fractions, so all I have to do is subtract the numerators and keep that original denominator. Here's my original denominator, and now I'm going 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 gives me 3. So I have 3 over 15. Take a look at that. Totally right answer. However, it's not in lowest forms, right? I can take factor out of both the top and the bottom. In fact, I can divide the top by 3 and I can divide the bottom by 3. If I do that, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 1/5 is your final answer.